I am Shehla, and Shehla is how my name is pronounced. And I am a homeschooling mom, and my son is 5 year old, and we have been homeschooling him for around 3 years now. And he has never been to a formal school ever. So yeah, so here I am telling you why we actually decided to homeschool our son. So there were so many questions in my DM regarding homeschooling, and people were asking why, how do you do it, and how do you manage, etc., etc. So I thought of coming here and talking about all these aspects. So today I wanted to focus more on the why part, because देयर इज़ जस्ट नॉट वन रीज़न. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक पर्टिकुलर रीज़न था जिसकी वजह से हमने ऐसे वी डिसाइडेड टू होम स्कूल. It was there were series of incidents and things that kept happening, and we were new parents, and at that time. So when I'm talking about homeschooling here, I'm referring to COVID schooling that was happening during the during the pandemic. I'm talking about full-time homeschooling parents. So we started back in 2018, when my son was 2 years old, 2.5 year old almost. So at that time, everyone around us, friends or parents who had kids in the same age, started to looking for school and everything, and everyone started asking us कि इसको school कब भेजोगे and everything. तो वी रियलाइज्ड कि हमारा बच्चा was 2 or 2.5 year old at that time, तो बहुत ही छोटा है, and we were just not ready to send him away to another place to play. And we were very sure of, we discussed and decided upon was कि हमको 5 साल से पहले we don't want to send our kid to a proper formal school, because the kind of parenting that we do, we really believe that a child needs to be in the nature, in the environment, in a very child-led environment, जो कि specifically is designed for that particular child and his or her interest. Indian schools are they're designed for every 30 to 35 kids. So of course, to give an individualized and a unique atmosphere is not possible at any school. तो हमने ये सोचा initially कि we'll not do that before the age of 5. And the countries that have very good and updated education system, so most of them discourage parents to send children to a proper formal school. In India, schooling is one thing which is मतलब बहुत ही ऑटो पायलट पे है कि हाँ, द किड इज बॉर्न एंड आफ्टर 2-3 years he goes to school, and then for 12-13 years he is in school, and फिर 3 साल ग्रेजुएशन या 5 साल मास्टर्स, and then it goes on like that. So to break this conventional setup, to try something that is very different from what everyone else was doing, was very challenging. People were not very people were not ready to accept the whole idea of us not sending our kid to school. So meanwhile, we also started looking at different philosophies and education, early education methods and everything. So I came across so many I'm not trained in pedagogy or I don't have any professional qualification or experience in teaching or early education or any kind of education actually. So it was very important for us to research, for me to research and know and what am I doing and what am I going to do. So I came across all these amazing philosophies like Charlotte Mason, Waldorf, and Maria Montessori and everyone. And I came across all these philosophies, तो काफ़ी aha moment हुआ कि मैंने कहा oh my god, this is so cool, ये तो इंडिया में हो ही नहीं रहा है कहीं. Because the schools that we had all around us in Gurgaon, वो तो काफ़ी मतलब रोबोटिक्स सिखा रहे हैं और फॉरेन लैंग्वेज और क्या कोडिंग सिखा रहे थे to a 7-year-old 6-year-old kids, which was so not okay with us, because ये सब सीखने के लिए तो पूरी जिंदगी है. 7 साल के बच्चे को I don't understand why one needs to teach robotics and all. Anyway, that is that is totally our point of view over this. So then I started to look for alternative schools, schools that follow these philosophies, Montessori schools and Waldorf schools. So जो हमको मिला नहीं, बिकॉज जो एक हमारे घर के पास था दैट वॉज इन नोएडा एंड वी वर इन न्यू गुड़गांव एरिया. तो वहाँ पे एवरी डे 2.5 घंटा अप एंड डाउन वॉज अ क्रेजी आइडिया फॉर एनी वन. So then I thought कि चलो ठीक है, if we are not getting an alternate school, then let's just do our own thing. So for us, we understand the whole Indian education system, and because we have been victim of that, and we really felt कि the whole education system is so redundant and so it so needs to be updated and developed according to the current century. The normal formal schooling, the conventional school, जो CBSE, CBSE, ICSE and all these schools were never a very good option for us, because even still, now that my son is 5-year-old, I am still not ready to send him to be a part of this crazy rat race that is happening. इसमें किसी को नहीं पता where they are going. Children don't know what they are doing. They are just doing it for the sake of it. They are not enjoying it, nor do they have interest or anything. So for us, interest-based learning, for us skills and skill-based learning and a very child-centric approach to education is our idea of homeschooling. So I researched a lot and I came across families who had been homeschooling since 1990s and had such successful stories to tell. So I got a very positive feeling about this whole idea. So then we just started doing our own thing. I didn't follow any particular parenting or educational style, but we picked up from here and there and made our own atmosphere. Like from Charlotte Mason, we picked up the idea of creating an atmosphere around the child. From Maria, we from Montessori education, we picked up the whole idea of treating the child as a proper adult individual. So I still feel that we are, as parents, we are not raising our kids, we are raising future human beings, and if we keep this thing in mind, everything will fall in place. The way we talk to our kids, the way we respect them, the way we give them freedom to take their own decisions, it will all fall in perspective. All you need to think is, how do you want to be treated by this human being when they grow up. So that was our whole idea. We want to raise a very independent, who is motivated and has his own very strong idea and understanding of his likes and dislikes. And I think homeschooling for us is just an extension of parenting. So how we parent is how we homeschool. So yeah, so I was telling you about the reasons. The first reason was the very bad education system that we have in our country. The second reason was unavailability of alternate schools and schools that aligned with our parenting style and parenting ideologies. So the third thing, which was a trigger for us for not sending us onto school, were this series of incidents that happened back in 2018-19, where kids were getting molested at school, and children were carrying knives, and in school incidents of hatred and bullying. So this was the moment when we decided that this is not the kind of environment we want to send our old child, who is in a very impressionable age and is not very emotionally mature. So these were the things that actually, the three main reasons why we decided to go with homeschool. So I'll do one more live maybe next week, where I'll talk about how we homeschool and what are the challenges that we have faced in India especially, and other things. So meanwhile, if you have any other questions, please DM me, and thank you for joining in. So I'll just close it up. Bye, good night.